Hi everybody, welcome to the video surprise of the day. Today's video surprise is a review on the Glasses USA experience. Before we get started, please remember to hit the subscribe button, the bell icon when you be notified new videos. I really appreciate that thumbs up. Thank you very much in advance. As you open the box, of course you get the pair of glasses in the box. I'm going to show you what else is there. There's a prescription card and it has your prescription there. And also, you got the extra pair of screws and also a pair of nose pieces as well. So I really was happy to see that because, just in case my glasses broke, I actually have replacement parts just on the side, right? Of course, there's also more promotion for discounts and also refer a friend discount from Amazon as well too. And you could probably log in to get that info. Of course, it won't come out of the box right now because I'm holding the camera with my other hand. Let me see if I could empty it out. And it's a thank you notice. And just say, hi, my name is so-and-so, refer a friend. So what you get in this box, right? So you got these glasses. I actually didn't buy the case. Actually, you could buy a more fancy case. So the blue was a little bit interesting. You also get this little handkerchief type of thing to clean your glasses. And it's pretty nice of them to include this. Don't use your t-shirt. That's really amazing. So that helps me out a lot. And the nice hard box actually helps protect my glasses. So actually, you don't get a scratch or damage. And I'm going to show you this one in particular because it's about $50 for this pair. And it's not bad at all, in fact. It's not going to be high-end quality, so I wouldn't say unless you buy for the Ray-Ban. They do have Ray-Ban and other brands as well, too. And if my camera will focus, I could show you a little bit more about this pair of glasses. Let me flip it over because I'm holding the camera on the other hand. Okay, so what you get in this pair of glasses, right? The lens is very good quality. I just selected the standard one. So whoever came standard is what I have. And it works out pretty good overall. And the frame isn't bad. This is a $50 frame. I'm not spend a lot from this frame. I only wear these glasses like if I'm driving or anything like that. Otherwise, I don't use this pair at all. So this is just for me for driving. And because the DMV requires me to wear glasses when I drive. And this one is an Italian original company, what they say. So this is how it looks like for a $50 frame in a very low price single lens as well. So not bad. I mean, the quality is pretty good. My previous pair wasn't bad either, but I think this one's a little bit better than the one I had previously. So the previous one lasted all this time. It never broke. The screw never came out. Of course, I don't wear it every day. And it was really great. And it lasted a long time. And overall, I think I spent about $130, $140 or so for this pair of glasses. I mean, it's important to see. So don't cheap out on glasses in particular. And that's why I mentioned. And very lightweight, nice pair. Reasonably comfortable. I wouldn't say it's the best fitting glasses out there. But, there may be other ones out there that, that be better quality. There's a lot of different frames to select from. Rectangle, square, round, etc. You can check out the website. I put a link in the description if you're interested. You can check it out. It's GlassesUSA.com. I don't have any referral codes or any coupon in particular to show you that, but it's a nice pair. One of the things I didn't like about it is, there's still quite a bit of selection and have discounts, but the discounts not as big as some of the other places out there. Some other places have a harder user interface on their website, but they may have bigger discounts. So 55 the lens, 18 is the bridge, 150 is the temple. So, if you need to know those numbers, they could show you some pictures on their website. You can check it out. This is one example of many online eyeglass prescription sites. So I do want to point it out. I'm very satisfied with what I have. I do want to show you a little bit extra. Prescription is you need to get that from a doctor. So you need to see another eye doctor to get that prescription. Maybe you buy a pair there. Maybe buy one online so you could save some money. And if you're willing to try it out online. So what do you get online? You could get single vision, near vision, progressive, bifocal, non-prescription, fashion. So those are the 5 options you get, and there's different prices, right? Of course, you need to know your prescription. This is what you need to know from your eye doctor, and you're entitled to that information. Then also you could choose the lens package, right? Value, standard, polycarbon, or premium. So premium is the most expensive one, and you can see all the options listed over there. So all in all, this came in about 1 week's time, and they do text you if you give your phone number out and email you and see what the progress is. For me, it took about a week, but I think those times are not hard deadlines. So depending on the time of season that you order, it may take a little bit longer, or it may be even faster, maybe. I don't know. I think it takes generally about a week. I remember last time I ordered, but other pair took about a week. So hopefully this tip helped you save some money and give you a great pair of glasses. And please help me out for thumbs up so other people can see the video. If you have a comment or question, please post it below, and I'd be glad to answer any questions about this experience as well. I'm not paid by GlassesUSA, by the way. Thumbs up. See you next time. Bye.